Hello, this is Boyce of 5280 Software LLC, and today I'm going to talk about the services that we offer our clients. The first thing we offer our clients is website design and development. So if you're looking to build a new website, update your current website, maybe you want to get into the e-commerce space, we can definitely help you out with that. We build WordPress websites, we build any kind of e-commerce websites, whether it be Magento, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, any of the major e-commerce platforms we can implement for you. And we also build custom coded websites, whether it be .NET, any kind of PHP, any kind of custom website design that you need, we can take care of that for you. The second thing we offer is mobile application development. We build mobile apps for iOS and Android platforms, whether it be a simple web app to a hybrid app that uses the same code base that runs on both platforms, or a natively programmed solution. We can help you out with all those types of mobile apps as well. The mobile app process when you're working with us is we provide a development contract. So make sure whatever development firm or freelance you hire provides you a development contract with a set price, a set time, the deliverables, and the payment schedule. We do this for all of our projects, not just mobile apps. The last thing we also offer is software development. So we build things such as dashboards that have API integrations. We can build any kind of custom software to run on a Windows or desktop or Mac desktop or server. And we can also build out custom software that basically can run in the cloud or IoT devices. So if you're looking to build some software, give us a call at 888-510-0833 or visit 5280software.net. And lastly, I kind of wanted to give some details of something else I'm working on. I'm currently serving as the Chief Technology Officer for Rapid Connect Medical. Rapid Connect Medical is the distributor of an FDA EUA approved COVID-19 antibody test kit. This test kit gives results in 2 to 10 minutes with 98.23% accuracy. So if you're looking to purchase antibody test kits, feel free to reach out to me, or you can also visit the website rapidconnectmedical.com. Thank you.